Alright guys, it's dyno time. We're gonna see how much I'm gonna be pushing with the stock engine, big turbo, only with the rods. I'm over here with Upper Motorsports. We'll see what it does. So the last pass it was without the JB4. Now we're gonna be putting with the JB4. Same tune without the upper. It's working right now on my tune. So we're gonna see how much this is pushing. This is a first tune from Upper Motorsports. We'll see what happens. Trying to figure out why it's only pushing 1 pound of boost. Alright guys, so after a couple of rounds that we did on the dyno, basically my ball valve forge over here in the top, it was damaged. So I was leaking boost from here. So we're gonna be putting it back eventually on the dyno again.